Welcome all. So today's topic is about my third book by the name of Unidentified Health Problems. This is an audio book. It has been released in the month of October 2016. Most of you must have seen the trailer of it on YouTube as well. This has a page also on our website, mahakalivedikhealingshelter.com. In the book section, you have the third book by the name of Unidentified Health Problems, the audiobook. It's written in the bracket, it's an audiobook. So now, today I'm going to be talking about, in brief, very general, because not many of you wanted to understand that what is this audiobook all about, and how come all of a sudden from an ebook or a paperback you have come into the section of audiobook. So yes, because a lot of overseas customers, our clients had recommended an audiobook, and in fact the second book that I have written, How Black Magic Can Destroy Your Love Life, is an ebook and of course also an audiobook. But that's a personalized audiobook that you have to write to us by the mail, and only then that audiobook can be sent to you, to our custom-based audience. However, this recommendation came from overseas people that we would love to have an audiobook this time because we want to hear you directly. So then I thought of that, why not? When this recommendation is coming in majority, of course we can go ahead and make an audiobook this time. So then hence we have kept up to our promise of having an audiobook, and this book is on cdbaby.com. This option was given by bookbaby.com previously, where we have been uploading our books. So this book has two parts, part 1 and part 2. However, this one is a part 1, of course. I have written the part 2 already, but then still the recordings are pending. I've somehow managed to complete this book, part 1. It really got very heavy on me when I was doing the audio for this book. And there are some samples on cdbaby.com when you will go, in which they have given some samples of what I've said, like the acknowledgement, a synopsis to each story. Now this book consists of 5 stories, people. So all are based on true paranormal stories solved by me and the team, of course. Now these 5 stories, of course, like always, it comes to me writing any story, shakes up people from within, that this is something that we are hearing and we can relate to the people who are into black magic traps, and people who are not into black magic traps, they read it for thrillers aspect, whereas I always say that my books are nothing to do with the entertainment section. But then there are people who read it and they find it extremely entertaining. I really don't know how they find it entertaining, but it's okay. It's just that at least they're reading, and after reading, they, of course, they say that we never used to believe that these things happen, but the way you have written or narrated, there's one point which comes in our mind and says that, is it possible? And I say that's exactly the point that I want all my readers or my listeners to have in their mind at least once, that hear or listen with an open outlook. Don't block yourself before reading or hearing anything, that it's not possible. Open the doors of the possibilities, and yes, anything is possible in this universe. It's just that we have not come up to that section of understanding, of knowing that unknown. That does not mean that that thing does not exist. Okay, so anyways, like I have my diary here, in which I have written the name of the books, and there's certain important information that you wanted me to answer. So sometimes I just forget, so I thought that let me give the name to the stories. Okay, the first story is by the name of Mental Asylum. Okay, so now as the name suggests, it's mental asylum. Of course, it has a story about a person who was in mental asylum for years altogether, and then what happened with the person and how the person came out, and all that detail is in this particular story. The second story's name is Silence. Now, silence is all about hearing nothing or not speaking anything. It can be anything. So the third, that I would keep as a a secret for you to reveal yourself once you hear that story. The third story is by the name of The Fat Girl. Now, girls will say that why do you keep such blunt headings? But then what to do? This story came to us, and this case came to us. In fact, not just the story, it became a story after the case was resolved. So the third story is The Fat Girl. I'm giving the names of the stories at this point of time. The fourth story is by the name of Sounds. Okay. The fifth is by the name of Walking Flesh. The Walking Flesh. Now, one thing is interesting about each story is that in the audiobook section, you have an option of buying, maybe just one story. For example, out of these 5 names, I'm especially telling this for my Indian audience who, because in India right now, audiobooks are not, people are not very much aware of the audiobooks. Yeah, the youngsters are, of course. People are actually on Kindle and, today's generation is aware of it. But then people who believe in, just keeping the book in the hands, the paper bag, and then reading it, they're not very much aware of it, especially in India. So for them, I'm just explaining you that it is not necessary that you have to buy the whole book. The audiobook has an option of you to choose one particular story. For example, if you like the first story, Mental Asylum, by the name of it, that this seems to be interesting and I want to hear this story, what's this all about? So you only pay for that particular story. And my team has made me write here that it's about one story price out here is $1.99. So you can convert this in the INR and see, the Indian currency, and see that whatever it is. But the standard is US standard is $1.99. Each story is of $1.99. So if you want to just hear 2 stories, so you will be just taking $1.99. You'll be spending $1.99 into 2. So it is not necessary that you have to take the whole book. You can just take one story for a sample, hear it. If you find it interesting, then of course you can spend another amount of money to read another story which you find interesting by the name or whatever your heart tells you to follow. So that is how the audiobook is designed. And the acknowledgement section and the synopsis section and the author's desk, I think it's 99 cents or something like that. I'm not too very sure. You'll have to go and check the cdbaby.com, people. Okay. The book of the name is Unidentified Health Problems, and it would have the author's page also. So easily you can find this, and even on our website we have put this page of the third book. And if there's any information that you want, we have pasted the link on the website also, and even in the description section in the YouTube you will find the link of CD Baby. So go ahead, because not many people wanted a complimentary sample of this audio book. So to few people, of course, we will be sending, who are our regular clients, who are with us from years now. So but the other ones who are interested to hear this book, please go ahead and capture cdbaby.com this time. Another baby from bookbaby.com. Okay, so that's about it. I would not want to talk about the book much. I would not want to talk about the stories, what it consists, because that is something that you have to hear yourself, and then let me know that how you found this book on the email, because the comment section is closed for YouTube for a very simple reason. Yes, and before I end this video, I would like to say something about that. People have asked that why have you closed the comment section on YouTube? Now, since I have spoken in the trailer section of the trailer about the channel, that this channel is not about entertainment purposes, this channel is not about giving false information. This is all about authentic information. You believe it or you do not believe it is a different section altogether. Now, from couple of months, we were saying that the different astrologers and tantrics were coming in the comment section and putting in their ads of removal of getting the Vashikaran done, getting the love problem solved, and 24 hours of healing, and 48 hours of healing, and all those statements which actually I have been making all of you aware that this is all nonsense, this is all rubbish, do not fall into this category. So several tantrics and several astrologers are coming and posting their own ads, their own websites in our channel. And then few of you who are actually following our channel said that it is so disappointing to see that one side you're talking about your channel to be like a workshop against these odd elements, and on the other hand, in your comment section we see these things happening, and there's a whole discussion which starts because people who are new to the channel, they start questioning because a phone number is given on their tantric, the astrologer's mail is given there, they start having a conversation there, and then two, three of you came to us and asked us that over the phone that then please delete those things from the comment section because it gets very irritating for us, and it gets we sometimes get misguided because such big things are written under it. So I also said, I said instead of collecting publicity from the comment section, it is better to close the comment section. I told my team to remove the comment section, disable it, because we do not want to see any nonsense on this channel comment section as far as these fraud people are concerned when it comes to tantra and when it comes to the sacred knowledge of spiritualism. We don't want that much of publicity. It is okay. So this is the reason we have shut the comment section. Okay, so that's about it. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you enjoy listening to the book. Till then, goodbye.